Here's tonight's 9 at 9. A new Ebola death has been confirmed in the Democratic Republic of Congo. This comes a few days before the country was set to declare an end to its second deadliest outbreak. The World Health Organization estimates 2,274 people have died of Ebola in the current outbreak. The FDA reminding the public there is no cure or vaccine for the coronavirus, and until there is, stay away from so-called miracle cures that really are just toxic chemicals. The agency says a church in Angleton, Texas, has been promoting one of these fake cures. It's actually chlorine dioxide. Chlorine dioxide is used as an industrial cleaner for swimming pools, and it can be deadly. The FDA warns they've got 48 hours to stop promoting it on the church's site. A racist rant against a Houston restaurant owner caught on camera.
I need it. Get out of our country! Get out! You! Get out!
The owner of Vitopia Vietnamese Cuisine says the verbal attack caught her off guard. Her business has been suffering due to the pandemic, but she says her family is trying to push through despite some tough days and negativity.
But we've got to keep going. That's the thing. We just got to keep going.
In Florida,
pretty bizarre, pretty deranged zealousness.
a woman is accused of filling plastic Easter eggs with pornographic images and then putting them in strangers' mailboxes. Detectives say she admitted to the crime, saying she was trying to educate people. She's facing several charges, including distributing obscene material and driving with a suspended license. Nearly a third of Americans didn't pay their rent this month. That's according to data from the National Multifamily Housing Council. The association says 69% of renters paid their rent between April 1st and 5th. That percentage, 82% during the same time period last year. There's some new clothing that aims to help you evade smart cameras. It's not so much about going unseen as it is about distracting and tricking the system. For example, clothing from the product line Adversarial Fashion uses patterns designed to trigger automated license plate readers. According to the company's website, they inject, quote, junk data into the systems, overloading their surveillance software. TikTok donating $10 million to the World Health Organization's Solidarity Response Fund. The fund assists the WHO in various aspects, including sending supplies to healthcare workers and accelerating efforts to find vaccines. A World War II veteran in Oklahoma celebrated his 100th birthday with a parade.
I can imagine who did all this. I've got a lot of friends.
His friends couldn't get too close due to the pandemic, but his parade doesn't mean the actual party is canceled. It just means an even bigger celebration when this is all over.
Sometime in 2 or 3 months, I'm going to have them all out to my house.
Take a look at this. Hospital staff members cheer as a couple leaves the hospital after beating COVID-19. Dariella and Carlos both tested positive and were admitted to the hospital on the same day. After a long stay, they were both formally discharged. To read more about these stories, head to ksat.com.